Hi, Stu here from Mass Digital. We're going to be taking a look at the new WizSeek feature within the NVR XI Pro series of recorders. WizSeek is a new text-based search function using human language, so it makes it easier to find the footage that you're looking for when you're reviewing it. Rather than having to pull through hours of footage, we can narrow down searches very fast. So as a working example here, I'm going to choose vehicle and the colour red. So it brings up a prompt for a red car, for example. I know I'll have some footage for that. I hit search and it brings up examples of red cars. Now over here, I've only got today selected. So I'm going to change that to the last 7 days. And I should have more examples of red cars. Now the one I'm going to be looking for is this one here. So I can see that that is a Mazda. If I want to narrow down the search to this particular car, instead of looking for red car now, I will look for red Mazda. And that quickly narrows it down to finding specifically that car. If you're looking for other vehicles, obviously you can choose different colours and different types. And if the footage is good enough, then it can break it down and find the right vehicle. In this case, I think you're seeing the Mazda insignia on the bonnet. Obviously alongside the colour red. But if I was looking for maybe when a delivery driver had arrived, I can use the search term DPD and the recorder will recognise that fact, and I can find out when the DPD driver arrived at the front of my house. I can also see that the man there is wearing a red top. So if I now do a search for the delivery driver, man with a red top, again, I'm just using simple search terms, I can now find that delivery driver right here. Going one step further, if I want to see all the footage for that single person, I have this search by image option, and this works best with AccuPick cameras such as TOC Pros. So the AccuPick function basically is looking for the human form and deciding certain tags for different colours of clothing, etc. But I can see now that this person has been spotted on a few different cameras at different times, and I can see the footage there. I can also, if I've imported a sitemap, I can use this Map Tracks button and it'll show me the route in which he's taken around the site. So in this case, I've imported Google Maps image of my house. I can see the cameras that he's been spotted on and you can see the route in which he's taken around the site. You can then choose to play the footage back in the order that it was made. So camera 2, camera 1, camera 3, for example, and I can play it all back or I can export that footage from there. Now, one step further would be if I wanted to create an alert for when a person in a red top came to my house. We have this option at the top here called text-defined alarms. So if I click text-defined alarms, it will allow me to create an event with the same name of the search term, but I can change that. I could just change it to red top, for example. But it includes the prompt that I've already used within the WizSeek, and it creates an alarm ID, which I can then use within DSS Pro 8.8 to receive an event notification when somebody with a red top appears on my site. Once we've created that text-defined alarm, we can also use it within the normal playback section. So playback, event video, text-defined alarms, and then in the rule type, it gives you a drop down for what we've just created within the text-defined alarms. So I can now search back through my footage, the last 7 days, for example, for person with a red jumper, and we can find it quickly in our playback without having to trawl through hours and hours of footage. That was a quick overview of the WizSeek function, available in NVR XI Pro recorders, available at Mass Digital. Give us a call to find out more.